Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to purchase games from your wallet on Steam account. So this is my Steam account, so I'm going to purchase. So I have 640 rupees on my account. So it's converted equivalent to US dollars. So you can check on your wallet. So you can add funds. Currently I have this much. So you can add funds using your credit card. So already I have my credit card details, so I don't want to purchase now. I'm going to use this wallet amount. So I just want to use this wallet amount. So go to store. I'm gonna purchase Rocket League, which is my favorite, one of my favorite game. So I'm gonna choose this. So here, right, I'm choosing that. Here I need to add to cart. Before you purchase, right, you can check your compatibility with the consoles. So I can play single player, online player with player, multiplayer also allowed, full controller support, stream trading cards, and remote play on iPhone, remote play on tablets. So it's very cool, right? So I'm going to purchase this game. So I'm going to in cart. You can choose this card as well. Purchase for myself. So just click on purchase. So install your new content. So if I click this install content, right, so it will be asking for the location. So I'm going to install it in my external drive, G Steam library. Next, I agree. That's it. It will be installed. That's it. I'm going to verify this in my downloading section. So already I'm downloading Destiny 2. Check out free to play. So after that, I think Rocket League will be installed. So that's it. This is the way you can download, purchase and install Steam games on your local drive or external drive. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback to me. Thank you. Bye.